Hello everyone, this is Kaushik Das and you are watching Information Kida. So let's go for it. In today's video, I will be talking about Assam flood, the real situation of the Assam flood, why this is happening and what are the reasons behind this Assam flood and how we can prevent. There are number of reasons why the Assam flooded year on year, but at the heart of the issue is the Brahmaputra river, the unpredictable. It's so unpredictable that it cuts across the state. So in the starting of the video, I would say that over 54 lakh people have been affected in this flood and about 81 people have been died in this flood. Morigaon is among 5 worst hit districts in the flood. So before starting these floods in the Assam, let's talk about something interesting facts about the Brahmaputra river that goes through this state. The Brahmaputra river originates in the great glacier mass of Kailash Himalaya and flows through India, China and Bangladesh for a total distance of about 2,880 km. And next, I would like to tell about the reasons why these Assam floods happens every year. So I would point some 3 points about these Assam floods. They are the soil erosions, or you can say the deforestations. Number 2 is the climate change, and number 3 is the failure embankment. तो डिफॉरेस्टेशन लेवल की बात करते हैं, आप लोग चौंक जाएंगे क्योंकि वी आर लूजिंग 1,30,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट एवरी ईयर. ये जो फैक्ट्स मैं बता रहा हूँ ये मैंने नहीं कहा, ये किसने कहा है? वर्ल्ड वाइड फंड फॉर नेचर WWF ने कहा है. और एक जानकारी देता हूँ कि यूनाइटेड नेशंस की जो फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है उनके तरफ से बोला गया है कि we are losing 18 million acres of forest each year. That is a size of a country of Panama. A country size of Panama, we are losing a forest each year. In Earth, we loses 18.7 million acres of forest each year, which is almost equal to 27 soccer field every minute. Okay, and you can see the information in the screen. And this says that about 15% of the greenhouse gases comes from the deforestations. 2000 और 2018 के बीच में पूरे इंडिया में 16,744 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर का फॉरेस्ट कवर मिट गया है और उसमें से 12,744 एकड़ का ट्री कवर जो कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट में रहता है, तो लगभग 74.7% फॉरेस्ट कवर जो कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट रीजन से है, मतलब अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम और मेघालय में बिलोंग करता है. तो इतने सारे फॉरेस्ट कवर अगर नहीं रहता है तो ऑब्वियसली फ्लड तो होना ही है और इसके मामले में शायद गवर्नमेंट को कुछ स्टेप्स लेना पड़ेगा. इंडियाज ग्रीनेस्ट एरिया, I mean the northeast area, has been losing consistently its forest cover area since last 18 years, and this loss has been doubled in last 5 years. When glacier melts in the summer, they coincide with the monsoons and increasing the temperature, global temperature, are causing to melt the faster. The results in excessive amount of water flow there in Assam. And the most important point I would like to draw about the river flow is the failure of embankments. And the embankments are made to tame the river, but when so much water comes, when you see that the glacier level is melting and as a result, this is not actually happening in the right way. Maybe there is a failure of the government because they don't maintain the embankment. You must have heard about the famous national park, Kaziranga National Park. You know, right? And the story of the national park is also not good, because you know why. Animals in Kaziranga National Park would earlier move to elevated areas to avoid the flood, because they tried to save themselves, as water crept into 90% of the park. Do you know that 90% of the park in 2019, leaving no place for the animals to take refuges? तो भाई प्रॉब्लम तो बहुत सारे हैं, लेकिन इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या है? सॉल्यूशन है, नंबर 1 सॉल्यूशन इज टू अवॉइड फ्लड प्लेन्स कंस्ट्रक्शंस, एंड नंबर 2 आई थिंक दैट embankments should be maintained regularly by the government, and number 3 is surely to plant any trees. I mean, if you don't plant the trees, then in near future more floods we will see. If you like the video, then please do subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So stay safe and stay good. Goodbye.